Hello, I'm Kyla Dayot. I am 21 years old. Single.
Single. Okay,
Yes.
you're single. So never
Never been touched, never been hold, never been.
your NBS base. So no boyfriend since
Since
birth.
birth.
Why is that? What happened?
Because of strict parents
Mm-hmm.
and no one is courting.
No one is courting. Why you're so pretty? Why no one is courting you?
I don't know.
What is your advice to those foreigners who are looking for a Filipina?
Talk to me.
A Filipino or a foreigner?
A foreigner na lang ta diretso.
Of course.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love.
Hi, beautiful people! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, by the way, I'm Jelay, I'm a Filipino vlogger from the Philippines, and welcome to my Philippine channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos update. And today, guys, we have another segment of our sharing the life story and also our relationship experience and advices. And hopefully you like this video. And here we are. We have new guest that is wearing our T-shirt. July and Untold Stories show char. So now let's give us your name, your age, and your status.
Okay. Hello, I'm Kyla Dayot. I am 21 years old. Single.
Single. Okay,
Yes.
you're single. So never.
Never been touched, never been hold, never been.
You're so funny. I like that. Never been hold, never been touched, and never been in a relationship.
Yes.
Sana all.
And that
But
is
before we move on that, we will talk about your life first. Before go to
Okay.
the interesting, charot,
Go.
interesting part of the channel of the story. Okay, so are you a student?
Yes, I am a fourth year college. Fourth year college.
Okay. So, what is your like? Are you working while studying?
No, wala ra, nag-school lang. School.
Nag-school lang.
Nag-school lang. School.
School lang. So, who support your study? Who are the one who support your financial needs?
My mother.
Your mother. So, what
Yeah.
is your mom's job?
I think it's editing in Strive.
What is that?
I don't know the term of their work. Basta kay edit.
She edit
Oh.
like are she editing articles?
Yeah,
Or,
I think that's wala ko
so
kabalo.
she working online.
I know, work from home, ay online, but atong sa COVID siya, then karon kay nara siya sa office.
Ano siya sa office? Ah. Okay, so I don't know also.
Oo, lusot ko
How
sa
about
iyang
your
work.
dad?
Just driver, motor, atong habal-habal.
Habal-habal driver. Okay. How many siblings do you have?
2
Ay, sana all two only.
at my mother's side.
Okay. Not yet. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, at your mother's side. How about your father's side?
I think 7
Wow.
or 6.
Your dad is very
Yeah.
hardworking.
Sana all.
Sana all. But are you guys live together like all the siblings or
No, just my mom, me, and my brother.
okay. How about your dad? Is he living with
Someone.
So
Yeah.
you are broken family.
Yes.
So at what age you started experience a broken family?
I think 20. I
20.
not sure. Nag-start siya when I was a child.
When you was a child?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's sleeping with us, but naharon.
But no.
Na.
He
he's
was
not-
still sleeping with you. He was still living in your house
Yeah.
before, but he is already into someone.
Yes. When I was a child, like I don't know what's my age before.
Are you the youngest?
The oldest.
The oldest?
Oldest?
Oldest or
Oh.
eldest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Na magulangan.
Oo. Wow.
Yes.
So, how about your mom's reaction about that? Like, he is what do you call that? He lives in your house and he is into another woman.
It hurts sometimes then until now wala na siya paki.
He don't care you guys.
Dili na siya wala na siya care sa side ni Papa.
Oh,
As long as happy siya karon.
But he's happy now.
Mm-mm.
It's crazy because you guys are lived together before and now
Oh,
he
no.
is with. That's hurt.
Yeah.
So when how does it started? Like
The kaning ilahang
the separation.
I don't know. I cannot imagine
You cannot imagine and
Yeah.
remember about
because it's so very toxic na.
toxic. Then they decided to separate.
Yeah.
But are they married?
Yes, they're married.
Wow. Because you're married, you cannot do divorce here.
Oh, dili mo nang na siya ka live in na lang.
He has live-in partner. And how about the kids, the 7 kids? Where is that? Like before you or after you?
After me.
That's a lot. That's so fast.
Oh, I'm the oldest in my brother and my father's side.
Wow.
Oh, pero
So you have younger brother
Oh.
and he also started in another
Oh.
with another woman.
I think we are the second family. He had
He had his
his family first at Manila.
Mhm.
That's why I have kuya
You have kuya.
and then us.
Then another one again.
Yeah.
That's his life. Like he really likes on tasting new dish. Sorry. New dish. Then how old is he now?
I think it's 50.
50 years old.
50 years old.
Okay, so you are in college right now.
Yes.
So what is your course again?
Bachelor of Science in Tourism and Technology.
Technology.
Management.
Management. So what is the highlights of that course?
Highlights?
Yes.
What do you mean by highlights?
Highlights, like what is the preference or segment, what we call that? Like if you work in the future, what kind of job you can get?
I want to work in a hotel works.
Hotel work. So what kind of hotel works is that?
Like the department that I want is housekeeping department.
You like housekeeping?
Yes.
How about being a front desk?
Front desk is my God.
Why?
Speaking of English, I can't handle and
No, you're good in speaking English.
yeah, but I need to practice more.
Yes.
And hadlok ko front desk.
You're
Wala ko
scared.
naanad.
You're not into it.
Oh.
But you know what? I think it's good. But you know what? If you want to become housekeeping, it's better to travel abroad. What do you think? Have you ever think about working abroad?
Yes.
Ah,
Ganahan ko mo
So which
trabaho.
country do you like to go?
It depends on place that I like. First is I want to go to Japan. I know Korea.
Korea. Wow. Why Korea?
Of course.
Of course.
K-drama.
You love K-drama.
Yeah. That's why I want to go Korea.
I saw
And
all.
Eat their different foods.
So you're into Korean food. Have you ever tried Korean food?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sa Seven Monkeys.
7
We
Monkeys.
try their
Seven Monkeys is a Korean.
bibimbap.
Bibimbap.
Kimbap ba no? Sana
I
itong
think gimbap. I
gimbap.
forgot.
Then,
I forgot.
mga noodles.
Noodles. You love noodles.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. I sana all. So, how much is your allowance every day? Like, since your mom is the only one who help you.
200 pesos
200.
a day.
Okay. But you have motorbike, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Like, you can save. How about your challenge every day going to school?
Kanang wake up early.
Wake up early. What time is your school?
7
Started.
at MWF we have 8:30 start and in TTH we have 7 o'clock.
Oh my God, that's too early. I'm still sleeping at that
7
time.
o'clock to 6 p.m.
So
Yes.
you're loaded like from 7,
7.
then you have class until 11?
I don't have class until 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay.
Ay, 3 p.m. Then
Wow.
4, then
That's so tiring, and you
Yeah.
have to wait in school for your next class because you can't go home. It's because it's far.
4, yes.
So you live in Darwin.
Yeah.
So in Darwin, what are what can you recommend about the best resort to visit as a foreigner?
I think Shera Resort, Pura Vida,
Mm-hmm.
Atmosphere.
Mm-hmm. Shera
That's
Pura
all
Vida
resort I know.
I know
Kinayuban kay
Shera.
Baguman.
Yeah, I know Shera Hotel. It's good one and not really expensive.
Oh,
But Atmosphere's the craziest
Yes.
one.
na siya.
Have you been there? No.
No.
It's so expensive, guys. Literally expensive, as I explained in the previous video. Oh my god, I can't afford it. It's okay, like, if you have lots of extra money.
Correct. Oh, na siya, pocket money.
Yeah. So, do you live close to the beach or...
No.
No.
It's 15 to 30 minutes away.
So, let's move to your, what we call that, relationship status.
Okay.
So, your relationship status or story is your NBS based, so no boyfriend since birth. Why is that? What happened?
Because of because of strict parents
Mm-hmm.
and no one is courting.
No one is courting. Why? You're so pretty. Why no one is courting you?
I don't know.
So, have you ever used Facebook
Yes, I'm using that every time.
every time?
Yes.
Is there anyone messaging you on Facebook?
Yes, my classmates.
Your classmates only? Group chat?
Yeah, GC, yeah.
Like,
Group
how
chat.
about men chatting you on Facebook?
Men, sometimes there's men sana
Trying
kanang
to-
trying to chat but
Trying to chat.
may mga uyab.
They have girlfriends and they're trying to chat you?
Oh,
Oh my god. Such
nagay last time nga naka-chat. I thought katong laki nga akong katok. Then dili man. Yung maning yung
Girlfriend.
girlfriend.
So there is a guy who chatted you.
Oh,
and
then
how long you been talking before there is somebody chatted you and it was the girlfriend?
dugay na dagay wala man ko kabalo kay
Like
mo.
months?
Wala man ko kabalo sa iyahang sana na siya uyab.
Status?
Oh, status if he have
Girlfriend?
girlfriend or wala.
Why? What do you think? Why do men do that?
Inay, basin sa ilang dili sila compatible sa ilang girlfriends, dili sila Asa
They're
ba?
not compatible or they're just being bored?
oh, dili sila happy sa ilang kuan status.
Status. They're not happy with their status. Okay. But you know what? If the guy is like that, if I'm the girlfriend, I would not protect that guy. I better to leave him rather than chatting the girl.
Correct, yes.
Chatting the girl like, this is my boyfriend, like that. I don't wanna do that. Like, just
Like
be honest and straight to the point that if you're chatting with another woman, why would I pursue you?
Yun.
Something like that. But maybe it's, have you ever think about learning a lesson from your dad and your parents relationship experience?
no, kanang I don't want to be like them someday, and I want to build in my future family. I want to have a complete family.
Complete family.
Oh.
You know what? I also understand why your mom is so strict about
Yeah.
that. Like, are you the only daughter, right?
Yes, I
Yes.
am.
So she have to protect you not to be like a family that you have, especially meeting someone like your dad.
No.
But, oh yeah, we cannot judge your dad, but
Ah.
it's kind of it's kind of the thing that you don't want to experience.
Good. Dili ko ganahan mapariya. Okay, daghan na kayo. Magapil-apil pa
So,
ko.
so what is your how do you have crushes?
Yeah, I do have.
What type of guy that you
Depende.
like? Charot.
Tall,
Tall.
char.
Then
And wala, og depende kung sa yatag ni God.
what God will give you, you'll accept.
Oh, pero
It depends,
Oh.
maybe about your perception about guy, like
nang respeto ba?
respectful.
Then kanang unsa ganang naikahadlok sa Ginoo.
Okay. Like
Dayon
God-fearing.
then kanang gilove po nimo yang pamilya. Ay gilove niya pud imong pamilya.
He will loves also your family,
Oh,
accept your
kana.
family.
Oo.
Oh, that's so sweet. So, like, what type of guy like? Nationality. Let's move to nationality. A Filipino or a foreigner?
A foreigner na lang ta diretso.
Of course. Afam direct.
Kay di man ta dito pasados Filipino, yat irong tas afam.
You know what? If Filipino don't like to court you, maybe
Then-
foreigner is waving there.
Gani.
Yeah. So if there's foreigner coming into your life, would you accept even, or like, we'll say in next month, would you accept him? Would you try to communicate? Let's say try to communicate.
Okay, I will try my best.
Mm.
Ala.
You know, because you told me that you chatted with Filipino, but they have girlfriends.
Yes, correct.
So why not staying with them? Just move to some
Move irog.
Irog. So how about the nationality? What type of nationality? Like American, English, Canadian, Australian?
Lasad ko kabalo pero ampot wala basta kay afam.
You
Wala
don't
ba-
care about nationality.
Oh.
How about the age preferences?
Age like 30 plus.
30 plus.
Oo.
You know, that's already matured enough
Yes.
to handle you. I know boyfriend since birth. But it's kind of, do you feel scared? Like, if that thing will happen in the future?
Oo. Mas scared ka.
Scary.
Okay. What if like anang good ra siya di mo in the first place and then after
He will change.
abusive siya.
Abusive guy.
Mm.
That's scary as well. Like, to meet a abusive guy in your life. Oh my God.
Na dapat nimong ilhon sa
Yeah, getting to know each other is
Yes.
the best. How about, would you accept LDR?
LDR.
Yes.
Depende.
It depends.
Mm.
But do you think you can handle it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think I don't know.
You don't know yet. She never been in a relationship,
Oh.
guys. So she will experience in the future and learn a good. Okay, so what is your perception like? I mean, like how he looks.
He looks
Yes,
kanang matured gani og nawong.
matured looks.
Then na siya gamay nga beard.
You
Beard
love
ba na?
beards. You love beards. How about the
And
nose?
then the nose. Asa? The
Nose.
nose? Wala na long nose.
Pointed. Uy, sana all pointed. Then how about the height? How tall are you?
5'5".
5'5". Wow, I'm 5'4".
5'4". 5'5".
5'5". So in school you're wearing skirt, right?
Oh, our
Skirt.
tourism
Tourism
uniform.
uniform. That's okay. Alright, so I like it. What is your advice to those foreigners who are looking for a Filipina?
Talk to me.
That's
Joke.
good. That's a good answer. Talk to you.
Talk to me and I'm ready to getting to know each other.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good thing to start getting to know
Yeah.
each other. Then maybe you guys are a match.
Yeah. You need to try.
You need to try.
If
before
you will not try,
then you
then
cannot try.
it's possible.
Possible. All right, so that's all, and thank you so much for your time and coming here in my studio. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for your support as always. And if you have something to say, just comment down in the comment section. All right, have a great day. Bye.